Aksyon Balita!
Good morning to our new regional director and the rest of your team, sir. All the mayors, city mayors, municipal mayors, all the public officials na nakaroon diri, all retired generals, kita ko nila General Valdebrin, the right side. Mga kapitan, o atong counterpart, our partners also in Siquijor, tanan, mayong buntag atong tanan. So karong buntaga, nakita nato nga gi-launch ang pag-synchronize sa 911 o ang sa security sa PNP, murag synchronize nato nga mas paspas. And then I believe for now ang Negros Oriental as the safest city in the Dumaguete City as the safest city in the Philippines, but kuyog sa pagprogreso ang pagbantay gyud sa kapulisan. So ang kapulisan kinahanglan gyud nato para sa pagpayon gyud nato sa progress. Nakadungog ko si atong new RD is from Bulacan, and with your leadership, sir, we are very confident. Kay ang Bulacan, that is the first republic, ang Bulacan. That is on 1899, January 23. First in Asia. That is first in Asia. The first republic in Asia. By Emilio Aguinaldo, I think, in one of the church in Bulacan. So, ang mga Bulakenyo, matatapang yan at may prinsipyo. So, we have an RD from Bulacan, and I'm sure ang leadership ng PNP, Negros Oriental, sir, is the victim of killings for how many years and abuse. So ngayon, with the unity of our party and Governor Chaco, na together with the Siquijor, I believe, sir, that susuportahan tayo ng mga tao for the safety dito sa programa natin na ilo-launch. At napakabilis to. Ito yung pinaka-mabilis na approach because as what our Mayor of Dumaguete said, that kulang talaga ang mga pulis. Ngayon, with the use of technology, sa lahat ng tao, mas mabilis to na ma-actionan. So maraming salamat at good morning to all. Again.
Aksyon Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.